Hi guys, it's too early to plant my seeds outside here in zone 7B. So I'm going to start my seeds inside as I have some grow lights. I have here a list of the vegetable seeds I'm going to plant. Mostly they belong to the Brassica family. And days to germinate is between 7 to 14 days. And I have also included the pansy flower. I'm going to start planting the Brussels sprouts. I use vermiculite to cover the seeds. After 2 weeks, here's the result. 100% germination of the Brussels sprouts. The broccoli, I have 3 big seedlings. I can see growth there. Cabbage, cauliflower, the arugula, though the seeds were old, like 5 years old, 300% growth. Chinese cabbage, mustards, the radishes are quite tall. They need to be transplanted in another container. On this side, I have poor germination of the lettuce, spinach, Swiss chard, and 0 in the pansy seeds, because I did not know that you have to germinate the seeds in the dark. So what I did, I put some seeds of the spinach, pansies, lettuce, and Swiss chard on disposable towel and wet them and put inside this black container, and I also cover them using another black tray so that the pansies won't be exposed to the light till the seeds have germinated. After 4 days, here's the result. Some of the pansy seeds germinated, and 2 seeds of the spinach, and most of the Swiss chard seeds have germinated. Nothing on the lettuce. I planted already the germinated pansy seeds on the designated cells. Swiss chards. So I'm putting back the ungerminated seeds inside this container. It would be nice if you would give a thumbs up to my video so that it would boost the algorithm, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not. Wishing you guys a good one, and God bless.